Carol.
We didn't even have to go snorkeling.
Neighbor!
Ready?
Oh my God!
How precious is
Oh, Dave's in the lead. Oh, biffed it.
Oh, I got it!
Yeah.
You didn't slide! More than I would have wanted to be.
All right, stop, 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 stop.
Ah, my life.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh!
So we're probably even
Looks so awesome.
faster.
Oh, are you okay?
How do I get off this thing?
Oh, it's not working. I'm gonna do this. Slowly, Caleb.
Oh my gosh, this is
You're so stupid.
I can't spin, it makes me cute.
No, no.
Watch this. His truck's gonna park itself. Here he goes.
Cody, is that your truck he's gonna back into?
Oops. Well, that didn't quite work.
Don't put your head down. Don't. All right, Aunt Marcia, put your arm down. Oh, dang. Are you okay? Where was your feet down? Not your whole
Oh. I think there's a little bit of a ridge on that.
Did I get a truck? That's my truck. That's my truck.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Get out! Oh, I got it!
No.
What? No! No! Oh my god! No! What? Oh my! Yes, baby! Let's go!
We're gonna fume these roaster pan marks.
Babe, I think there's something on your shoulder.
Wash your hands. Violet, go.
You guys overcooked it.
Are you serious?
Oh my gosh.
Is the turkey you want?
How many people is that going to feed, Gabe? Dozer?
Oh, our Thanksgiving is ruined.
I want a leg. I want
What are we gonna do?
We actually walked across the river because we couldn't drive across, so we walked across the river.
Nice, nice. What do you mean you couldn't drive across?
Well, it was a little too deep to drive, so we decided to just stop.
Gotta know your limits.
Gotta know your limits.